In this video I'll show you how to stream Peacock on Sony Smart TV. Step 1. Open the Sony App Store. Tap on your Sony Smart TV and connect it to the internet. Navigate to the App Store from the TV menu. Step 2. Search for Peacock. Use the search function to type Peacock. Select the app from the search results. Step 3. Install and launch the app. Click on Install to download the app onto your TV. Open the app once installation is complete. Step 4. Log in and start streaming. Sign in with your Peacock account credentials. Explore your favorite shows and start streaming. And that's how you enjoy Peacock on your Sony Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Bye.